The future's up in the air for a crown jewel of the Edmonton baseball scene. The home of baseball here in Edmonton is currently known as Remax Field. But after former MLB player and Hall of Famer Roberto Alomar was in town for a baseball banquet, he penned a letter to Don Iveson about the importance of baseball in Canada and to the city, after hearing the possible teardown of the stadium. Being host to many of the game's greatest players of all time like Alex Rodriguez, Canadian Justin Morneau, and slugger Mark McGuire, the field is currently the home of the Edmonton Prospects of the Western Major Baseball League and is used for academies and club teams. And it means much more than just a baseball stadium.
Well, it's just a nice place to be. It's just kind of where baseball is centered in Edmonton, and there are not that many ballparks in Edmonton. You know, you've got John Fry, and you know it's kind of average, and you know there's really not much else as far as higher level facilities.
Remax Field was opened in May of 1995 and has been formerly known as the Edmonton Ballpark and most commonly Telus Field.